Building a future city takes more than roads, bridges, and airports. It also means preparing hotels and businesses to respond when emergencies happen. Across Gelephu, fire extinguishers and first aid kits are becoming a common sight as the GMC Administration introduces new hospitality safety standards.
Walk into a shop, hotel, guest house, or restaurant today and you may notice something new. Near the reception counter or kitchen entrance, many establishments now have fire extinguishers mounted on the walls, a fully stocked first aid kit within easy reach, and in some establishments, feedback boxes for customers to share their experience. These are more than just new additions. They mark the beginning of a new safety culture as the Gelephu Mindfulness City prepares its hospitality industry for international standards. For many business owners, the changes are both practical and reassuring. They say being prepared for emergencies is no longer just good practice, it is becoming an essential part of running a hospitality business.
In case of a fire or any emergency, having a fire extinguisher and a first aid kit will be very helpful. It will make both business owners and customers feel safer. I hope these benefit everyone.
In an emergency, a first aid kit allows us to provide immediate basic treatment before patients are taken to the hospital. It is something every business should have.
First aid box, it's really important now. Even everything which GMC is bringing up is very beneficial for us.
According to the Tourism Development Group of the Gelephu Mindfulness City Administration, the requirement is part of the upcoming GMC hospitality standards, which are currently being developed. The standards build on the existing safety and classification requirements of the Department of Tourism and will apply to hospitality accommodation establishments operating within GMC. Businesses will be responsible for providing and maintaining properly stocked first aid kits and functional fire extinguishers. They are also expected to ensure staff are trained in their proper use. The administration says compliance will be monitored through GMC's quality audit process, which will assess establishments, identify areas for improvement, and guide businesses before certification. Along with safety equipment, customer feedback mechanisms such as feedback boxes will also support efforts to improve hospitality services. As Gelephu transforms, GMC says building confidence among visitors begins with safer establishments, better services, and a stronger culture of preparedness. For 𝘀𝗶𝗵𝗶 and 𝘀𝗶𝗵𝗁 in Gelephu, this is Sonam Yuden for BBS News.